I don't think you have heard about SHIBS before. So if you haven't heard about SHIBS coin, wait, let me teach you to the end how to earn this coin, how to convert it to USDT, make instant withdrawal from this side. Also guys, as you can see, every hour they give away up to 504,000 SHIBS for free through their SHIBS faucet. No free, no hidden agenda, just a way to get you started with the incredible worldwide phenomenon known as SHIBS and cryptocurrency. So I will be teaching you how to earn this coin SHIBS to your wallet, make instant withdrawal, convert them to USDT. So watch me to the very end as I teach you guys how to earn this amazing coin. So the product features are the free SHIBS every hour. You are able to solve captcha in order to accrue up to 504,000 SHIBS for free every hour. They provide fair games every day. They enjoy complete SHIBS, mutual betting and casino experience at free SHIBS. In players have the opportunity to earn more SHIBS through the exciting game. Every game uses probability technology to prevent fraud and ensure fairness. So they self-secure. All users' information and data are kept confidentially. All transactions anonymous. So the generous referral get 50 of what your referral make in the affiliate. Claim free SHIBS. You also get 0.4% every time that play games and 5% value gift card that apply. So let me show you how to sign up and earn this amount of SHIBS every hour to your wallet from this side. So hit up on sign up. By hitting up on sign up, you get yourself registered by inputting your name, your email address, your password. Repeat your password, sub the captcha that you're a human and not a robot. So guys, I've already got an account with this site, so I'll be logging in to show you how the platform actually works. By inputting my email address and my password, then I will log in straight up to show you how the platform works by solving the captcha. Once I solve the captcha, I will hit up on login. So guys, as we are logging in, if you are new to my YouTube channel and the video is valid to you, don't forget to hit up on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, give the video a thumbs up. To earn free SHIBS, to receive reward from hourly faucet, please fill the correct captcha and press claim button. The amount of free SHIBS that you earn will depend on your level and paid out according to the table below. Your level is stone. To read the next level, please play our game. So let me show you the level system and their paid out. As you can see right here, the level system starts from stone, iron, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, master, and their paid out is according to their level. The stone level, you earn 50 SHIBS. In your iron, you'll be having your 100 SHIBS. In your bronze, you'll be having your 200 SHIBS. In your silver, you'll be having your 600 SHIBS. In your gold, you'll be having your 2,400 SHIBS, down to your master, which you'll be having 504,000 SHIBS. So guys, for you to make your claim, hit up on verify. Once you hit up on verify, hit up on claim. Once you hit up on claim, as you can see, I've earned this amount of 50 SHIBS deposited right to my dashboard. So I will show you more ways to earn this amount of SHIBS by hitting up on the trailers. By hitting up on trailers, you can play games. You hit up on games. By hitting up on games, you multiply your SHIBS up to 4,850 by playing all these power fair games. Your dice, your limbo, your slot, your plinko, your wheel of fortune, the ultimate dice. Also guys, there are more ways to earn. You hit up on the trailers by making referrals, which means affiliate. You hit up on affiliate. You can earn generous commission from this platform by referring users to free SHIBS. They pay referral commission according to the table below. As you can see, the faucet is 50% of base price. The game is 0.4% of Wigger Stroke Bet. Their survey is 5% of completed survey. So the total referral friend which you make will be shown. The total SHIBS which you earn will be shown. And the available commission which you of your balance will be shown to you. So this is my referral link. I'll be leaving it on the description of the video. Click on it, share with friends and loved ones, and have the bait commission of every valid invite which you made into this site. So guys, I will show you more ways to earn by hitting up on the trailers. You can also take survey to earn more SHIBS by hitting up on survey. You complete survey from your choosing provide and earn SHIBS instantly. And the amount of USDT which you'll be earning is 0.20 USDT. For 20 minutes, you'll be having these stars also additionally. And these are all research which you can take, or survey which you can take, your CPS research, your time war, and your beta lab. Also guys, you can make withdrawal from this side by hitting up on withdrawal. By hitting up on withdrawal, guys, all you have to do is to enter your setting for your withdrawal request. Once you enter your setting for your required request, you press the withdrawal button. The minimum withdrawal amount is 100,000 SHIBS, we have no maximum withdrawal. You can withdraw the entire balance in your account and also view the real-time proof of payment. You copy your SHIBS wallet address, making use of BNB Smart 20 BIP20 address. You copy it, enter the amount of SHIBS, either max or minimum. Then the transaction fee which will be charged from every of your transaction is 50 SHIBS. Verify you are a human, not a robot. Hit up on withdraw button, and the amount of free SHIBS which you make withdraw will be sent directly to your crypto exchange without any delay. Thank you for staying with us. Stay tuned for the next video coming.